Hello everyone, this is the Shared Vision assignment presented by Jalen Snipes. ISTE has several standards that are used when implementing technology into schools. In addition to those standards, they also have essential conditions that are vital for implementation of the standards. Shared Vision is the way that all stakeholders are involved in the effective use of technology to support learning. Implementation planning is using the guidelines that have been given to plan and select digital materials that will be used for learning. Equitable access is making sure all students have the required technology to support learning. Prepared educators are educators that have been thoroughly trained and share the same vision as other stakeholders. Skilled and sufficient technical support is important to maintain the infrastructure of learning. High-quality learning activities and content is vetted learning materials that have been aligned to state standards. Ongoing evaluation is a constant process of reviewing what is being delivered to students to ensure that it is aligned to the current vision. The National Vision. The National Vision addresses the digital use divide, digital design divide, and digital access divide. The digital use divide addresses the use of technology as a means of creativity and exploration. This creates an enhanced learning environment for students. The digital design divide addresses the need for increased professional learning opportunity for teachers to learn how to design technologically advanced learning experiences for students. The digital access divide promotes the need for all students to have equitable access to technology to support education. The state vision is to collect and maintain high-quality data, provide easy, powerful, and cost-effective tools, provide secure, appropriate, fast access to data and tools. The local vision is to integrate technology into the teaching and learning process, to have equity and accessibility for all students, and implement the implementation of cutting-edge technology and digital media. How does technology empower learning? These were given from a survey. These answers were taken from a survey given to my grade level. Some responses are the following. When used thoughtfully, technology can empower student learning by increasing creativity, research skills, and skills that students will transfer into their future lives. Peer-to-peer collaboration using technology helps empower learning and boost communication skills. Technology supports personalized learning, and when students are able to learn in a way that works best for them, that empowers them to become more involved and excited about their learning process.